2, 3, 2, 2, 3. What's up, YouTubers? Excuse me, this is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake. I got a slight cold, so that's my voice is a little funny. Anyway, here we got Michael Bolton, When a Man Loves a Woman. The main parts. So let's start with Cape on 1, please. Cape on 1, standard tuning. We got C major for the verses. 1, 2, 3. To B over. Let's grab B over G. So that's 2 and 3 on the B string there. And then A minor. 1, 2, 3. G major. 1, 2, 3. F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then back to G. So here's the switching. C. 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. B over G. A minor. G. To G, to C, back to G there quick. G major and F major, G major to C and G. And the strumming, the song is in 6/8, so it's down, up, down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, down, down, up, down, up, down. The verses we can bring it down, we can do some picking. Picking down and then strumming da 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 da, down up, down up. Bring it up for the chorus. Then we have the bridge. They go to C7 there, so from C major, add pinky on 3rd fret G. To F major, to C major, F major, to to C major, C7, F major, to C, B over G, A minor, and D7. 1, 2, 3, D7. We're gonna end on a G. 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, and that's when they raise half a step. Which those chords are not very good on the guitar. So what I do when I play this live, because it's plenty of space, I just raise the capo a half step, and then it's chorus out. So that's a good trick if you have time in between to raise the capo. And you definitely do for this song if you play with the band. Okay, so before we end the lesson, let's go with the chords. C major, 1, 2, 3. B over G, that's 2 and 3. A string, B string. A minor, 1, 2, 3. G major, 1, 2, 3. F major, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then C and a quick G. Okay, so that's all the verses. And then for the bridge, we got a C7 to F major. 3 times, I believe. And then last time we go C, B over G, A minor, and then D7, and end on the G, on the G major. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, folks. I'll see you tomorrow with more cool hits. Be safe. Thank you.